Welcome to Nature Talks. I'm Mark Dixon and I'm down at Cola Beach in Sedgefield. So this morning there was a report of a Soupfin shark that had washed up. It was a female, and from the initial photos she looked pregnant. So it came down to do a dissection and just to try and see, establish if she was pregnant, and if so, how many pups she had. So it was reported round about 20 to 7 this morning. I got here at 9:30, quarter to 10, and already you started having a discoloration of the skin from just the coagulation of the blood, right? And the eyes had been pecked out by the by some seagulls. So most of our stuff is for educational purposes. There was a wound on the tail on both sides, both the right and the left-hand side, looking like it could be a wound from a gaff. Soupfin sharks are, they get to just under 2 meters in length, reach sexual maturity at about a 1.3 to 1.5 meters for males and females respectively. On opening up the abdominal cavity, very large liver, ovaries, lots of new eggs forming there, and then in the uterine tubes there were some 6 eggs on either side, so potential of 12 pups. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs on that side. So there you go, that's a shark egg. It's a loss, you've lost the female here, and you've lost the potential of 12 more little Soupfin sharks in the future. They are caught primarily for their fins, their fillets, so they are consumed for that, and then their liver for vitamin A. They are considered to be endangered and threatened, so they are on the red data list of endangered species of sharks in the world.